In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the New Files Changed Experience feature on GitHub. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started with GitHub, this new feature can help streamline your coding workflow and provide an enhanced experience when you're managing files across your projects. Let's dive into the steps to get this set up on your account. First, go ahead and navigate to your GitHub dashboard. This is your main hub where you can manage all your repositories, contributions, and more. Once you're there, you'll want to look for your profile icon, which is located at the top right corner of the page. Your profile icon is usually either your picture if you've set one or a default avatar if you haven't. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, look for something called Feature Preview. This is where GitHub allows you to try out new features they're testing before they become a standard part of the platform. Clicking on Feature Preview will take you to a new page designed to enhance your experience and keep you up to date with the latest GitHub tools and functionalities. Now, on this page, there's a section on the left pane labeled New Files Changed Experience. If you're not already under this section, make sure to click it. This section is crucial because it focuses specifically on updating the way you view and manage files that have been changed in your projects. Once you're in the New Files Changed Experience section, the next step is simple yet pivotal. On the top right of this section, you'll notice an Enable button. Clicking this button will activate the feature for your account, giving you access to the latest interface designed to improve how you interact with changed files in your projects. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the New Files Changed Experience feature on GitHub. This new interface aims to make it easier and more efficient for you to review and compare changes in your code, which can be particularly useful when dealing with complex projects or collaborating with others. Before wrapping up, a quick tip. If you ever want to disable this feature or explore other new features GitHub is testing, you can revisit the Feature Preview section following the same steps, giving you the flexibility to customize your GitHub experience as needed. I hope you found this guide helpful. By leveraging GitHub's new features, you can optimize your workflow and make managing your code a smoother experience. Thanks for watching and happy coding!